So many people want to pursue IIT, but because of the JEE mains, and there are people who writes like lakhs people, on
16 lakh
16
people
lakh
write the
people
exam.
will
Yes.
write, and only
16,000 seats.
1,000
are there,
seats. So it's almost the ratio is too high. So what I want to say, there is a beautiful, amazing program you people having, semester exchange program with IITs.
It is a very unique program and only the program which we run across the country. So this program here, the students have a choice. That is, first 2 years they have to study with us, and third and fourth year they can pursue their education from the IITs. IIT Kanpur, IIT Delhi, IIT Gandhinagar, IIT Jammu, IIT Bhilai, Jodhpur, Ropar, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Delhi. So many students, they already go to IIT's syllabus and the courses are mapped with IIT.
Wow.
So the students who study here, once they go to IIT, they don't feel any kind of pressure or any kind of problem in study. They stay there and study with the existing batch.
Okay.
So they also write the examinations. So they get the transcripts.
Oh, does
And
that
that
matter?
transcripts is attached with the degree.
So, do we have any scholarships for the students?
Exactly. We give around 100% scholarship to the students, right? There are certain slabs like in JEE examination.
If they get 95% above,
95%
100%
the
scholarship.
100% scholarship we give.
Nowadays, students, they really want to set up a startup business or entrepreneurship. They're so much interested nowadays.
Yes.
To get a job, more than to get a job, they wanted to give a job.
We also believe in making people or adding extra R to them. Like from employee, which is E, we want to make them employer. That is adding the extra. For that, we have Atal Incubation Center here, which is supported by the Niti Aayog, Government of India. Every students come up with their own ideas and then they give the idea to the Atal Incubation Center. First of all, they see that whether that idea is workable or not. If it is workable, it is incubated and the funding is provided by the Niti Aayog. So around 83 startups already AIC has done, and around 15 crore funding they have already given.
So, what about the accommodation and the food facilities? Because our Telugu states students are fond of food. So, North India mein nahi milega food karke ye hota hai.
The accommodation here, we have a separate hostel for boys and girls.
So, in campus?
In campus
Oh,
hostels
very
are
good.
there. As far as food is concerned, we already have so many students from the southern states. So we have southern food also as well as northern food. So food is not at all a problem here. The students having so much of experience, so much of exposure studying in IITs and all, and then here also the students who are there in campus who may not get the chance to get into IITs, they also are being mentored here by the faculties. Internship, whenever we are giving, it is a paid internships.
Wow.
So
they get a stipend.
Yeah, get a stipend.
And one more thing, what about the education loan, sir? I heard that some lakhs can be given without any assurity and without any collateral.
Education loans, we are having a tie-up with different banks. So education loan is available, not a problem at all.
So everything is fabulous, sir. So at the end, what do you want to say to our Telugu states or the students across India to welcome them to the JKL University?
Definitely, I like to welcome all of you, all the students, whosoever is watching the video. Please do come and visit us with your parents, and definitely we are there to fulfill your dream. We are there with you, and I can assure that once you are passing out from here, you will definitely have a different kind of career and different you. You will find yourself. Whatever you are there right now, after 4 years, it will be a totally different you. More confident, more enterprising, and ready to take the jobs.